Hello everyone, welcome to my medieval city wall gatehouse improvement video. In this video I will show you a method to improve a gatehouse for a medieval wall such as the one you can see here. This is a decent gatehouse. However, there are some areas of improvement. First, it is very flat. The wall has no depth. Second, the gatehouse makes no use of the path through the wall. For this improvement, I will be using this set of blocks. I will provide a complete list in the description. However, as a general guide, I'm going to be using stone bricks, stone brick variants, and tuff bricks as structural materials to build the gatehouse. And then I'm going to be using fences, iron bars, lanterns, and such items to add cosmetic detail. Again, a full list of the items is in the description. Okay, let's get started. This gatehouse will be 11 blocks wide, have a height of 8 blocks, and a depth of 7. To start, make the foundation of the wall. This will be done with tuff bricks, as they come with a slight blue hue, which will allow them to meld with the water. Also, dig out and fill them up. Next, add in 5 dispensers behind the tuff blocks for the gate, then place some spruce trapdoors to start making the bridge over the moat. Then add 1 layer of mossy stone bricks on top of the tuff bricks, and then add 3 layers of normal stone bricks, making sure to leave space for the gate. Now enclose the gate with 2 pieces of stone brick stairs and 1 stone brick slab. Finally, complete the bridge of spruce trapdoors. Now, add a layer of planks on top of the stone bricks, then add 2 tuff brick pillars on either side of the bridge. This adds depth and structural integrity to the walls. Then place polished andesite stairs above the bridge and alternate with tuff bricks on the outside of the pillars. Then use stone brick blocks to add in the crenellation on the top of the wall. Now add 5 more dispensers above the previous ones on the plank layer this time. These ones are facing down. Now build the gatehouse proper by putting down stone bricks in these 2 horn-like shapes, and then filling them in with planks. Now add another layer of stone bricks, then on the 3rd layer, make sure to leave out 2 blocks near the gate. Instead, place stone brick stairs in those spots. This will allow you to create arrow slits. Then add a final layer of stone bricks. Now finish the tunnel by adding stone brick stairs and stone brick slabs, with a stone brick block at the end in the middle. Then complete the floor with the city's pathway. Now add a layer of stone brick blocks across the back, and then fill out the layer of planks, with a key point of leaving openings at the back in each of the corners. This completes the structural components of the gatehouse. Now comes the cosmetic detailing. First, detail the wall by moving around mossy stone bricks and adding in cracked stone bricks in different places. This will break up the monotony of the wall. Make sure to do this all the way around. Then add polished tuff wall all along the back, adding ladders in the openings that were left in the plank layer and topping them off with dark oak trapdoors. Then add fence pillars 3 blocks tall with lanterns attached to them in the corners and in the middle of the tuff wall. Now texture the plank layer by replacing some of the planks with beehives and others with stripped oak wood. And then cover the back of the dispensers with oak pressure plates. Make sure to add in the iron bars on the other side of the dispensers to act as the gate. Lastly, add banners to the front. With this, the gatehouse is complete. Now we can integrate the gatehouse into the city wall. This is the improved gatehouse. What has changed? First, the depth and the flatness. This was done by using more differing blocks, thus creating detail, adding such blocks as mossy, cracked, and tuff bricks. This really helps the look of the build and its overall shape. Second, the path was built out to better work with its surrounding and the gatehouse. Then, there were also entrances added to access the lower section of the wall. Overall, I think this turned out good. Please subscribe to my channel and leave any suggestions for other improvements you would like to see in the comments below. Thank you for watching.